Summer landing. All the sports go down. Guys picking anchor. Good morning. We're second to last sea day. Had St. Martin yesterday. Now we're headed back to Miami. Take a couple days. No big plans next 2 days. We've kind of done everything we need to do, so we're just going to try to relax and enjoy it. I have a little bit of a cold today, so I'm not excited about that, but we'll get through it and have a great day. Got a couple foosball tables, shuffleboard, pretty cool, like a backyard vibe. Nice rainy morning out the deck. Good morning. Or whatever.
Oh, hey! Oh, please! Wow, I think it's a tornado on the wall.
Nina. Nina.